What's up, Donald Screaming in Butler County?
Everything changes every which way.
Well, for one thing, it's window tint, not an air conditioner. I'm going to drive your car off of a cliff. I'm going to drive your car off of a cliff and watch it disappear into a ball of flames. Anybody else influential that wouldn't care if we use their name? Wes. I can just say Wes. Wes. Yeah. That's impossible. Wes has a reservation there tonight. Hey, Paul!
There'll be some outtakes. Can you talk for me? Is it okay if I get close to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want a foot tap?
It's gonna cut right into this to, yeah. Actually, could you fake that? Could you just, like, wipe your eye?
Yeah.
Your eye holes? That's
I gotta make sure I can see, too.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And maybe you could even play it because your hair's so wild. Maybe you could even play it like you're from California or something. You like this, little apron?
Yeah. Is it adjustable?
No, not really.
You want it? It's so tight around my mouth. It's like I keep.
It's not your skin.
Yeah, I know.
Think hands together, or?
I think you should kind of open them up.
Okay.
As you open up your talk.
Radical new therapy for people with antisocial disorders, schizophrenia. I don't remember the last one. One take gangs already. Blackout Tinting is home to radical new therapies for people with schizophrenia. Done. I'm walking off set.
My goodness.
Are the keys in it? Yeah. So why we don't get a script? We just have to improv.
You know, okay, do your one lap.
Yeah.
Hey, you! Give me something good.
Like what?
What's up?
What's up?
Give a what's up with some oomph.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
Is everything all right?
His costume was hanging out of there.
Hey guys, welcome to another one lap review here. Damn it. This happens every time. I'll draw it.
Yep.
Every single time.
Every time.
Is that an 85.2 944?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, does this have the 2.5 liter engine in it?
Yeah, dude, this is like one of my favorite cars.
Oh my god. Have you replaced the fuel lines on this yet?
Yeah, I did, because I'm always worried that it's going to catch on fire.
Oh my god, perfect. I know a guy with 3 of them. He hasn't done it on any of them yet. He's gonna die.
Oh my god, that's terrible. He should really do that.
Okay, we're gonna do that again, but that was good, but without all the oh my god.
Oh my god! So are we redoing it with that?
I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
I think it's funnier to pull Max in.
Yeah, so like put your thing on.
Can we kidnap you?
Yeah.
And then.
I didn't have my mask on.
You left it in. Why is this sort of like? Why does this get tighter when I try to close it?
Because the seal's new.
Maybe,
High five.
yeah. I'll do that again.
This is such a work in progress car.
All day.
Can't see.
No, yeah. Do a lean out for me. Lean out more exaggerated. Why is he standing there like that?
I'm the first one. I don't know what to do.
Go to the back.
Oh, go to the back.
Put your mask on. Go to the back. I barely have an idea what I'm saying.
So I'm gonna go in front of.
Let me just do it.
Ian will do it.
Go up there.
You basically just bob and weave.
You guys want to go to Sheets?
Get kind of close so like I'm cramped in the yeah. Can you see me pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait till they're quiet. And then you go like this, and then you go like this, and then I'm gonna see what that looks like. Give me an I am none of those things. That's fine.
I am none of those.
Oh, you're gonna have to talk like
extremely loud.
15 to 20 times as loud as that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am none of those things. I am none of those things.
Okay, now say it more like Cenobitis. Actually, lift that up, and I'm just gonna grab clean audio of you saying it.
I am none of those things.
Okay.
Too hot?
A little bit.
Okay, now the next part. Be like, my friend Lecter, or what do you want to say, Hannibal or Lecter? Or do you want to give him a nickname?
Oh, Lecky Schlecky.
Lecky Schlecky?
Nah, we'll go with Mo. Oh, buddy.
Mo.
Oh, buddy, Mr. Annie over here.
Hanny.
Buddy.
No thanks.
Right. Or he'll eat you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or he'll probably eat you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Now it's just me standing.
Yeah.
Holding the hot dog.
Yeah.
Just go for it.
Yeah, and you can swing it up too if you want.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Me and my buddy Lecter will be here all night working the grill. So bring your appetite, or he might eat you.
Oh.
And then what? He's just coming.
He's coming. So yeah, you have to keep him on your shoulder because then I'm gonna run around you, and we'll do it the other way. All right, Jimmy, you ready? Yeah. Okay.
I'm not that heavy, right?
You think the guys are watching?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Aaron, are you gonna be able to lean up, or is that gonna hurt too much? Okay. So start walking out there a little bit. Is that hurt?
We're good.
All right. You can lean up whenever you're ready to say it.
October 25th, 6 to 8.
Okay, one more time. Keep going. Just keep going.
October 25th, 6 to 8.
You gotta say something.
Me?
You.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woo! What are you doing? Started climbing up a hill. I knew we were.
Right. I forgot. Like you're not a Navy SEAL. Like,
Right.
Is that hard?
It hurts.
Did it feel good? Did it hurt your belly?
Yeah.
You okay?
I'm good. My shoulder was digging in his belly.
Oh, I bet. Thank you, guys. Thank you.